What's up, YouTube? Mike from Mass here, Mass Aquariums, and I just wanted to give you a little update on the JBJ all-in-one 15-gallon nano reef. That's a mouthful. This week, the tank is 3 weeks old, I believe. Wow, is it that quick? 3 weeks or 1 month? Anyway, let's just call it a month, and then I'll go back and check afterwards. I'll edit it in. I wanted to give you a quick update because everything is looking good and open, and Kenya trees are just plump and happy. The walking hand, I think it's called, waving hand, Anthelia or something, is just all blossomed out and waving. You get the GSP in the back wall there. Already starting to spread and crawl up the wall, as you can see, so that's gonna look sweet. There's one over here that isn't quite open that well because I just brushed it off this morning, brushed the algae off, but it's starting to open back up. Still going through that ugly phase, that diatom phase. Fed my Duncan. He's got a little piece of mysis shrimp just about to be completely swallowed up here. Fed the hammer today as well. Flow is good. I finally got the flow dialed in. Bought this little blueberry, how do I pronounce it? Porlites? Oh man, I got it all written down. So many corals, I can't remember the name. Porlites. Jesus. I'll also edit that in. And this zoa colony right here had a hermit crab just crawling over it, but all the other zoas, and then you got that hairy sponge that is tripled in size since Ryan gave it to me. And then over here, got that hairy mushroom, looking great. Clownfish. Super friendly clownfish. They come up and eat right out of my hand, which is awesome. Really cool to see that. And then he just took off. Can we see him? There he is. Little yellow watchman goby. Eating pellets like crazy. He comes out of there and devours pellets. Everything is looking great. Got the Blue Ridge coral. Hasn't grown, but hasn't died. And then got my man, Petco skunk cleaner shrimp. I got some comments on my video how you should be buying your shrimp and cleanup crew from Petco because they're hardy and they live. I did get some couple of negative comments that people weren't too happy about, but this guy eats off my fingers, eats the dead skin off the fingers. Tank's about getting ready to shut down. It's bluing up. And I did get some good comments. I got some bad comments, but mostly good comments. I got a few comments that said bad advice, Petco is shit, but you got to remember, folks, the advice was for beginners, that I believe if they got their crew from a good box store like a Petco or a PetSmart, that it would help them get off on the right foot, you know, having some hardy fish. Now, I had 2 skunk cleaner shrimp come in separate occasions that I paid a lot of money for shipping, and the directions said, do not drip acclimate. As soon as you open the bag, the pH will fluctuate and blah, blah, blah. All the directions said float and put the shrimp in the tank. One was dead on arrival, so never had a chance. I'm not going to say where I got it from, but it came in dead. And one I put in the tank, and within 2 hours, he was belly up. Now, these were so tiny. They were like, just like barely an inch. And then, so I went to Petco because I know this Petco by Gillette Stadium has like quite a bit of inverts, and grabbed the skunk cleaner shrimp. Very first night, I went to hand feed it a mysis shrimp with the tongs. It took it right from me. Then next day, I stuck my hand in there to feed it a mysis shrimp, and it ate the mysis shrimp and then crawled all over my hands. And it's already molted. So I said what I said. You don't like it? Oh well, it's just advice. I've been keeping aquariums for 40 years. I think I have some knowledge. I'm really hoping the Zoa garden takes off. This was my favorite one and the most expensive one, and it's the last one that just started to open up. Like these fire and ice over here, one day opened up. These 2 colonies opened up right away. These guys, maybe the next day. This one, it's been almost a week, and it's now just starting to open up. So good thing is it's not melted away, and it is starting to open, which I'm excited about. This one just, like I said, had a hermit crab crawling all over it a little while ago. But everything is looking pretty sweet. Yeah, so I just wanted to give you an update because everything was looking good. Tank was starting to shut down a little bit. I'm still in the ugly stage as far as diatoms go. I'm still brushing them off the glass every day, a couple times a day. I got a video coming up Wednesday on diatoms and the ugly stage, so hit that notification bell so you'll get a notification when I upload it. I'm still going to be uploading every Wednesday, and I'm going to do Saturday tank tips for the 40 years I've been keeping aquariums. I'm going to give you some tips that I've learned over the years. Might not be your generalized tips that everybody can look up on Google. Might be like the one this past Saturday. So go look at that video and give you my tip to crystal clear aquarium water. But just wanted to give you an update. Not going to be doing this that often. I'm sure not everybody wants to update on my tank, but it's a month, 3 weeks to a month in, and everything's settling nicely. The water parameters are great. The flow is dialed in. The fish are doing good. And I have another order, 2 orders actually coming in this week. I have a couple hammers and a mushroom coming in, and either Tuesday or Wednesday I have some macroalgae coming in. I've got 3 different types of macroalgae. I'm going to shoot a video on that. My plan is to put them in this back corner where there's lots of flow and there's really nothing going on here, and it will give some color, some red and green pop color. I got this dead man's finger that's kind of a lime green one. Fairly beginner macroalgae, nothing crazy. Grows pretty quick, so I can just trim it and pull it from the tank, give it away, whatever. Come on, Duncan. You almost got it. Almost got that shrimp all the way down. But there it is, 8 minutes, probably 6 minutes too long. That is my update, folks. Everybody have a good week. Stay tuned for that video coming out Wednesday. Getting excited to be shooting lots of videos recently. And like I said, I'm back. Hopefully have another tank. Maybe, I don't know, call it a couple months. Let this tank settle in. Get it filled up with corals. I got a long way to go. I got a lot of ideas. I got all the corals written down, where they're going to go. I've measured the par on this light and where it is on the tank, so I know exactly where I can put the corals. I know where the flow is now, and it's going to start to fill in. It's going to look really nice. All right, folks. Mike from Mass. I'm out.